Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen adventure. Today I'm attempting to make a pound cake for the very first time. Yes, first time ever. So lower your expectations immediately. So we'll start with the sugar. There's so many colors of sugar to choose from. I decided to go with a yellow one. I threw that in, and then goes the salted butter, because who doesn't like a little chaos with their cake, right? And once the mixer starts, it actually begins to look like I know what I'm doing. The mixer does its thing, and before I know it, it's actually looking fluffy and light. That moment gave me hope, like, okay, maybe I can do this. Next up, 5 eggs, one at a time, separately and slowly. I don't know why I thought this was such a big deal, but I actually did it. 1 egg in, mix, then the next. I was feeling like a professional at this point. Now for flavor, a splash of vanilla, classic. Because honestly, what's cake without vanilla? Then nutmeg. And let me tell you, the nutmeg is a family thing. My mom always used to add nutmeg to her cakes, and I grew up loving that taste. I never really paid attention to her baking back then, but somehow this part stuck with me. Now in goes my already sifted flour and baking powder. Very fancy. But here's the trick. As I add the flour, I pour in some milk. Flour, milk, flour, milk. Honestly, it feels like a dance, or basically a workout at this point. Baking should come with gym membership points. Finally, we scoop the mixture into a baking pan, which I sprayed with baking spray because sticking is my biggest fear in life right now. And off it goes into the oven, preheated like the pro I'm pretending to be, 355 Fahrenheit, which apparently is about 180 Celsius. I googled it. Okay, so it's out. Drumroll please. My cake came out looking pretty decent. Crisp on the outside, soft inside. Which sounds like a success, right? Well, sort of. But is this what cake is supposed to look like? I don't even know. But hey, it looks edible. And now the moment of truth. Slicing it. And yep, it's falling apart. Like me on a Monday morning. I don't know what I did wrong, but it was definitely not picture perfect. The good news, it tasted really good. So at least we have this going for us. Yay! So that's my first ever pound cake. Not perfect, but not a total fail either. I'm glad I tried it. I'll keep practicing until I get better, and I'll keep showing you my progress along the way. If you have any tips, please leave them in the comments. I could use them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.